I am making today Russian or Tatar, probably Totor dish. It's turnovers, deep fried turnovers filled with meat. I have 1.5 pounds of ground pork. It's on the fattier side. It's like, it was pork, but I ground it. So also I have half of onion and a little bit of parsley, a lot of black pepper, 1 teaspoon of salt, and 2/3 of the cup of water. Water will help to keep it very, very moist. So I'm taking a lavash. That's why it's called lazy, because we don't have to make any dough. So one side is usually whiter, other is more brown. So I'm putting brown side up. I'm putting a little bit of water around edges. Then I'm spreading on 1/2 the meat and leaving some edge so I could be able to close and that meat wouldn't escape. So it's actually, it has to go like thin layer of that meat, and then close it and press the edges together. And then we're gonna deep fry it. It's done. Let's give it a try. The meat is all done. By any chance, if that happens, that you cook, you cut in half and you see some pink spots or something, just put it back. Put it back in the oil and continue cooking for like a minute or so. It cooks so quickly. Probably took like maybe 3 minutes total. Flip one side, flip other side, and that's it. Cheers. So juicy, guys. Oh my god, so juicy. And the crispy, that lavash. Oh.